UK Arts and Entertainment Websites. Chapter 1. The Fun UK Pop Culture Websites. The biggest UK entertainment website. Digitalspy.com covers entertainment, gossip, and pop culture. Entertainment at BBC. bbc.com/culture/entertainment-news. Major UK entertainment websites. disneyplus.com. Here's t.co.uk/sectors/entertainment. itv.com. noutv.com. pressgazette.co.uk. radiotimes.com. sky.com. thesun.co.uk/tv and showbiz. ticketmaster.co.uk. UK arts and entertainment websites. bfi.org.uk. blinkbox.com. britishcouncil.org. cineworld.co.uk. classicfm.com. digitalartsonline.co.uk. digitalspy.co.uk. empireinline.com. entertainmentwise.com. eventbrite.co.uk. factmag.com. getimages.co.uk. granta.com. heatworld.com. hellou.co.uk. homagazine.co.uk. ideastap.com. mixmag.net. myvoo.com. nme.com. odeon.co.uk. ok.co.uk. photobox.com. radiotimes.com. skiddle.com. tate.org.uk. thepoke.co.uk. the-solero.com. thinkstockphotos.co.uk. tvguide.co.uk. Britain art culture websites. arty.co.uk. affordableartfair.co.uk, London, Bath, and New York. Fairs making art easier to buy. affordablebearythesheart.blogspot.com, the affordable British art. americanmuseum.org, the American Museum. anthonyhepworth.com, Anthony Hepworth Fine Art. arnoelfini.org.uk, Arnolfini. artangel.org.uk, Artangel. The Artangel collection film and video works to galleries and museums across the UK. artcommunity.co.uk. artdesign.bathspa.ac.uk, Bath School of Art and Design. artifact.co.uk, a web directory. Listed alphabetically and by area. artfund.org, the National Art Collections Fund, Art Fund, enriching museums and galleries with works of art. arthaus.co.uk. artificialgallery.co.uk, Artificial Gallery, London works for sale. rtnbath.com, galleries in Bath. rtnliverpool.com, Liverpool art and culture, an arts listing. artistsprintsandposters.co.uk, new generation arts.co.uk. artmagazine.co.uk, the art magazine. artmonthly.co.uk. artreview.com. artsalive.co.uk. artshole.co.uk. accessartists.org. balticmill.com, Baltic Centre for Art, International Centre for the Visual Arts in Gateshead, Tyne and Wear. bapla.org.uk, British Association of Picture Libraries and Agencies. bath.ac.uk/Holborn, Holborn Museum of Art. bath.cityofbath.co.uk/tourism/museums.html, museums in Bath. Tourist guide. bath-preservation-trust.org.uk, Bath Preservation Trust. bathartgallery.co.uk/counties/bath-art-galleries.asp, Bath Art Galleries and Gallery Directory. bathartgallery.co.uk, Bath Modern Art Gallery. bbc.co.uk/Radio 4, BBC Radio 4, the BBC Arts, Culture and News Station. bbc.co.uk, BBC Online. bbc.co.uk/Radio 3, BBC Radio 3, the BBC Arts Station. bbk.ac.uk/lib/artlibgu.html, Birkbeck College, University of London, Art History Libraries in London. beauxartsbath.co.uk, Beauxartsbath. bygotrt.co.uk. blinkred.com. blog.tate.org.uk, Tate Gallery blog. bow-lee.co.uk, Bowley. bristol.gov.uk/ccm/content/leisure-culture/museums-galleries/Bristol City Museum. britac.ac.uk, British Academy for the Humanities and the Social Sciences. britart.com. British Museum Google Art Project, x.com, @Tate. britishartfair.co.uk, British Art Fair, London. britishartjournal.co.uk, the British Art Journal. britishcouncil.org, British Council Arts. britishdesign.co.uk, British Design Initiative Handbooks. chapelrowgallery.com, Chapel Row Gallery. dandad.org, British Design and Art Direction, DNAD, Awards. edgarmodern.com, Edgar Modern. freeze.com, Freeze Magazine. GalleryLefford.fineart.com, Gallery Lefford. gallery9.co.uk, Gallery 9. guardian.co.uk/arta-and-design, Guardian Art and Design News. hayward.org.uk, Hayward Gallery. hiltonfineart.com, Hilton Fine Art. illustratorsagents.com. janeausten.co.uk, Jane Austen Center. larts.co.uk. moggermodern.com, Mogger Modern Art. maya.org.uk, Museum of East Asian Art. minigallery.co.uk. museumofcostume.co.uk, Museum of Costume/Fashion Museum. nationalgalleries.org, National Galleries of Scotland. nationalgallery.org.uk. newmasters.com. robinsimonanart.blogspot.com, the British Art Blog. romanbaths.co.uk, Roman Baths, Bath. rostragallery.co.uk, Rostra and Rooksmoor Galleries. royalacademy.org.uk/ra-magazine, Royal Academy blog. royfinartcom4sco.gov.uk, Royal Fine Art Commission for Scotland. rps.org, Royal Photographic Society Collection. serpentinegallery.org. situations.org.uk, Art Commissioning and Research Program based at the University of the West of England, Bristol. tate.org.uk, Art Gallery, 2 locations, Millbank for British Art, Bankside for Modern Art, another gallery in Cornwall. theartistmagazine.co.uk. theheartnewspaper.com. theheartshopper.com. thebritishmuseum.ac.uk, British Museum, London. victoriagal.org.uk, Victoria Art Gallery. wallacecollection.org, British drawings, watercolors and paintings from the Wallace Collection, London.